Hi class, I want to show you what you're going to be doing in Canvas today. In Canvas, you will find some links for today's assignments. One is going to be the Occupational Outlook Handbook, and one is to get to the Career Connections page in Google Docs. So for the first one, when you click on it, this is where all of your information should come from. Please do not use Google to search for things. And over here, you will need to make a copy in order to be able to type in. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right there. Finally, I'm not going to do one of the careers that I want you to do. I'm going to do a different one. And so I want to search for software developers. And I'm going to click on the very first thing that comes up. I just searched the handbook. And so the first thing you'll notice is there is a nice summary page that has a lot of the information we're going to use off the top of the bat. So you're going to put in your name, and your class number, 71, we'll say. Career title is straight from the handbook, so just copy it straight from what you see. And the median pay is right here, $105,590 per year. You can put in both median pays that are listed there if you would like. The number of jobs is 1,365,500, and the projected job growth is 21%, which is really fast. It's one of the fastest growing jobs that there are over the next 10 years. The lowest and highest 10% pay, you will have to click on Pay, the Pay tab, to find that information. This particular one breaks down software developers into app developers and system software developers. So I'm going to put in applications, and I'm actually going to read this paragraph, and I'm going to make an adjustment to that median pay. I would not mark it incorrect if it was left the way it was, but I like to be accurate. So 103,620 is the median for app developers, 61,660 is the lowest 10%. That's the bottom end, the people first starting out in the job. And folks who have been doing it a while can earn as much as $161,290. What do people in this career do? Well, you will find that information under what do they do. There's a lot here to kind of read over. I recommend reading over it, at least skim through it and get the important information, and write 2 or 3 sentences about what people in this career do up here. Next, you're going to do the pros and cons of a career in this field. And so I'm going to pull this up for just a second. The pros are positive things that you like, and the cons are drawbacks. So you can do it something like this. Obviously, there's going to be some opinion here because what you like and what I like might be 2 different things. So I think most of us would agree that the pay for a software developer is a pro. A con, depending on what you think about software developing, if you don't like being on a computer all day, then that might be a con for you. Again, you want to put several things in here that you like and do not like. I'd like to see at least 2 for each. And then, would you consider a career in this field? Again, this is an opinion, but I do ask that you cite evidence from the Occupational Outlook Handbook that supports your decision. And I've given you an example on the page to look at. So I might say I would consider a career in this field because, and then it may be because of the high pay, or maybe because I enjoy working on computers and I feel like that it would benefit others, and maybe I have some good ideas for some apps that would help the world around me. So this is how I want you to do it. Make sure that you are getting information from the Occupational